In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a component in Figma. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or refining your designs, knowing how to delete unwanted components can streamline your workflow significantly. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by heading over to Figma. If you're not already familiar, Figma is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool that many designers use for creating visually engaging apps, websites, and other digital projects. To begin, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Once you're there, look for the login button located at the top of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Figma account. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the home screen of Figma. This is a central hub where you can access all your files, including recent and shared projects. From here, look for the section labeled Design. Clicking this will take you to your design workspace where you can manage various components of your projects. Once you're in the design section, it's time to locate the specific component you want to remove. This could be buttons, icons, or any design element that doesn't serve a purpose anymore. Hover over the component and you'll see a slight change in appearance indicating that it's selected. Now that your component is ready to be deleted, you have a straightforward action ahead. Simply press the delete key on your keyboard. This action will immediately remove the component from your design file. Remember, this deletion is final for the session, but no worries if you make a mistake. Figma's undo feature comes in handy in such situations, so feel free to press Ctrl+Z to revert any accidental deletions. By following these steps, you should be able to easily manage and clean up your design files in Figma, ensuring that only relevant and purposeful components remain in your projects. This not only keeps your workspace organized, but also enhances the overall efficiency of your design process. That's it for today's tutorial on removing components in Figma. Following these simple steps will certainly help you maintain a cleaner, more efficient workspace. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials to expand your Figma skills. Thanks for watching and happy designing.